this frequency, 6 to get on 3950 also.
Oh, excellent. Okay, well, if you have VHF comms or UHF comms to the EOC, then if anything, you can relay on this one. Do you have SARDET repeater system near you?
I don't have a repeater system here. I tried to get on it earlier, but I was getting in the door, okay?
QSL. Well, you can relay any comms that they need from the EOC on this one then. Thank you very much. What is your name again?
I'm kilowatt. I'm Q4 November, December, January here, but I'm using the N4 EMA. That is our
QSL. It's a good call. Thank you very much, Roy. We'll be standing by N4 EMA, WX4 NHC Hurricane Center. Back to that.
This is N4 EMA. Back to that.
This is the National Hurricane Center doing the Hurricane Watch Net on 40 meters, and I have it also on 20 meters. Two different radios monitoring Hurricane Michael. Stay safe, everybody, down here in Florida, 73s.